Hi there, meeting me again in new CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to save URL with online method. Sometimes you found important news on important things that you found in some website, but you want to view its page later. You can save the URL using this website I want to show you. For example, we have finding some tutorial in Google how to make website SEO, for example, like this. Now you found the important things that can troubleshoot your problem or you want to learning this page, but you don't have time now to read this information or article. You can save it online with site news.web.id like this. Okay, you can just paste like this and automatically it's saved on public menu in here, so your URL is saved in here. You can read later, but for easy to remember you can just using options. And for example, you want to read about my SEO or tutorial SEO like this, you can just using custom in options. And if you want private, you can type password in here. For example, you want password, or if this public, I can type with 12345 password in here. Then I paste website SEO, tutorial SEO in here. Then you can go to public and it will only work with your password like this, 12345. You can go to your important website that have your important information. You can just wait and click continue. Now this open your web page. Your page is safe in public in here. Anytime you want to open, you can just click again. Okay, that's all tutorial how to bookmark URL using online news.web.id site. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.